We'll guide you through how to make typing effect in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion application on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once the home screen appears, tap Create New Project to begin a new editing project. Set up the project according to your preferred settings, such as the resolution and other settings that best match your video. After selecting the settings that fit your project, tap Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button to open the media menu. From the available options, select Text to add a new text layer to your timeline. Type the text you want to animate into the text box, then confirm your changes. After entering the text, adjust the text settings by choosing the alignment, font, size, and text color that best match the style you want. When you are satisfied with the appearance, tap the text layer and select Effects to open the Effects menu. Inside the Effects menu, press Add Effect to access the Effect browser. In the Effect browser, navigate to the text category where the available text effects are listed. Find and select Text Progress to apply the effect to your text layer. Once the effect has been added, open its settings and locate the End Section option. Set the End Section value to 0 so none of the text is visible at the beginning of the animation. After that, enable keyframes for the End Section setting and leave the first keyframe at the start of the text layer. Move the playhead to the end of the text layer and create a second keyframe. Change the End Section value of the second keyframe to 100 so the entire text becomes visible by the end of the animation. If you want to make the typing effect look more realistic, expand the cursor menu and choose one of the available cursor presets.